At 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝, we know peelers. Our original line of a dozen kitchen tools launched in 1990, and our first runaway hit was a peeler. Thanks, Sam Farber. The 𝐏𝐫𝐴 Pro Swivel Peeler has a very long peeler blade that is made of extra hardened, precision ground stainless steel. It features a non-slip, contoured grip with extra cushioned grip areas for comfort. The body is constructed of sturdy 𝐏𝐫𝐴 zinc, and this swivel peeler features an efficient ire to quickly remove stubborn blemishes on fruits and vegetables and is completely dishwasher safe.